Here in this video, we are going to see how to use fastest 3 times in buy momentum, fastest 3 times in sell momentum. To use it, first on the dashboard, you have a button intraday filter. You need to click on this. Once you click on this, after clicking on the left hand side, you will see fastest 3 times in buy momentum, and on the left hand side bottom, you will see fastest 3 times in the sell momentum. Now, how do you use this and how do you identify stocks using this? Once you click on fastest 3 times in buy momentum, here you will see the stocks which have came fastest 3 times in buy momentum. So here you have the buy momentum tab. Here you have all the stocks coming in the buy momentum tab. Out of that, the stock which came continuously, that is, for example, now this is at 924, so at 920, 922, 924, or 918, 922, or 924, so anyhow, if the stock has came fastest 3 times continuously in the buy momentum, it will show you here in the buy momentum. Once you see this counter, like for fastest 3 times in buy momentum, it is Mphasis. Now once we go on the chart of Mphasis, here on TradingView, applying the indicator. Now how to apply the indicator, morning scanner indicator, for that we have a separate video, you can go and check that. Now once you apply the indicator, our simple rule for buy, a green candle should enter a green zone. Can you see a green candle here? No, all the candles here are blue. Is there a green zone here? No. So neither a green zone, neither a green candle, not entering into a green zone, which means the stock which came in fastest 3 times in buy momentum, you cannot create your entry here. Now, okay, if there's no stock which is coming, which is fulfilling a condition for entry, now let us go and see for the sell momentum. Now, once I click on fastest 3 times in sell momentum, after clicking on it, here I see three stocks. One is BPCL, one is REC, one is IOC. Timing can vary. Sometime the fastest three can come at 922 itself. Sometime it may come at 924. Now here, if I see IOC, RAC and BPCL, let us check one by one whether we get entry in all the three counters or not. Now once I go on IOC, once I click on IOC, again for sell side, again we have a criteria. A red candle should enter a red zone. Now if you see IOC, IOC has moved in a direction, but can you see a red candle? No. Can you see a red zone? No. So neither a red candle, neither a red zone, which means the stock has moved in a direction, but yet we can't create our entry because it is not fulfilling our condition 2, that is the indicator condition. Now the second one was BPCL. Let us check BPCL, whether in BPCL we have a red zone or not. Okay, in BPCL we have a red zone. At what time we got the red zone? We got the red zone at around 924. So this was the price. At around 924 we got our entry, near about the entry price which was suggested whenever the candle enters the red zone. So at around that price only, so we entered at 614. Our stop loss was at around 620, and from there if you see, it has given approx a return of 1:5, that is around 5,000 rupees, because we entered a bit lower than the suggested price. So you can consider from 5,500 you would have made a 5,000 rupees gain in this. So 1:5 risk reward ratio trade easily throughout the day. And again, if you check RAC also, in RAC also a red zone is there and a red candle entering a red zone. Now here if I see, at around 924 was our entry price. So again, near to our zone itself, near to our entry price only, it consolidated for few minutes. We entered at around 495, 496. We entered at the same price at around 495, 496, and from there our stop loss was at around 502. And with 1,000 rupees risk, you can see we are gaining more than 6,000 rupees here. So easily around, we can say 1:5 or 1:6, we can say we have gained in this particular trade itself. So both the trade gave us, the two trades were only fulfilling our conditions, that was RAC and BPCL. Neither IOC had a zone, neither Mphasis had a zone. So from that, out of 4, only 2 trades fulfilled our zone, and in that also 100% accuracy we have got. If we see, we have got 1:5 and one trade with 1:6 risk reward ratio trade. So this is how, with the help of fastest 3 times in buy and sell momentum, you can identify your stocks. Thank you.